I reversed down my driveway a bunch at night because I get home from work at like 9:30, and with no lights back here, it sucks. So I finally decided to get my reverse lights working. I bought, this was at Advanced Auto Parts, even had a little coupon code. This box has been written all over with alternate part numbers, but I will definitely attach that. BWD, but it was just a generic BMW reverse switch plug. So anyway, what you want to do when you're doing this is very simple. If you have an automatic Supra and you converted it to manual like the one I did here. But anyway, on this plug that you bridge in order to get rid of the neutral safety switch, there is a red and also a yellow wire. So you cut those, and then what you do is you run them down to the switch, which I'll show you. And I've got this all wrapped up here, sorta. I gotta still solder and everything. But I'm finding a good way to route that down there because of course it's on the opposite side of the trans. So I have to finagle it all through here. But yeah, so we routed it down there. I also need to figure out what to do with all this because I've just been jamming it in this corner here. But yeah, that's for another day. And I'm still finishing up down here, but there's the plug that I bought. Right now I've just got it taped together before I solder it. But I wanted to make sure I had the right length for everything. And once I'm happy with my routing, that's all it takes.